G'day, Grumpy Kiwi here again. Looking at a fundamental rule this week. Keeping left. Look at this fuckwit. Jesus, get off the bloody... Oh, for God's sake, I had to brake. I thought he was going to hit me. Anyway, just trying to get home. Now we're just going driving here, nighttime driving. Oh, for God's sake. Keep your wheels over there. Keep left, guys. Keep left. Now check out this. Nissan Fairlady, apparently. Jesus, can't even stay on the side of the road. These bloody modern sports cars can't even bloody stay left. Anyway, that's Angry Kiwi signing off. If you enjoyed the show, please subscribe on YouTube or like us on the Facebooks. That'd be awesome. And we'll know we can put some more stuff out. Anyway, catch you later.